In this video, we're going to talk all about how small businesses can use short form video content in their marketing strategy. Like short form video is all the rave right now, right? Everybody's telling you need it, but a lot of people just don't know where to start. So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of content ideas. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. Let's go. Let's take flight. So short form video really just means having a video that is less than 1 minute, right? So what you want to do is you want to take a look at your content pillars. You should already have your content pillars designed. If you don't have your content pillars designed, then you can actually go ahead and reach out to me and our team, because that's exactly what we do. We're all about profitable content. So that's what we'll be talking about in this video. So when you create 1 minute short form videos, what you're looking to do is to tell a very concise message directly to your audience in a short amount of time. So what we want is we want energy, we want music, we want things that are entertaining, right? Because we have to hold our audience's attention. Let's run through a couple of these content ideas that I have for you. So the first one is for you to start off by showcasing your product or your service. So a couple of different ways you want to do this. You want to make sure that you're talking about your product and your service as a solution to a problem. You don't want to push the product or the service on the person and say, look, we have this, bye. You don't want to do that. What you want to do is you want to position the story in the 1 minute video and show how the product or the service actually enhances someone's life. All right. So products and services are number one. The second way that I absolutely love and adore, and you'll see in a lot of my content, is to educate your audience. It's actually what I'm doing now. So utilize short form videos to educate your audience on ways in which they can use a product or service, or how they can enhance their own life, or how it can be of value, right? So let's say we're selling this pen. We aren't going to say, hey, buy this pen, buy this pen, buy this pen. What we will actually do is we will go through and we'll show someone writing. We'll show someone writing a letter, and then at the end have a bit of a theme or a call to action, like imagine if you couldn't write a letter to your loved one, something like that, right? So you want to make sure that it pulls at the heartstrings and that it tells a story. Third way is one I love a lot, which is interviews. Who doesn't want to see your CEO or person in charge on camera? Right? We all want to see the CEO, the CMO in a video. We want to know who they are. No longer do we live in a day and a time where it's just like, oh, we don't need to know who's behind that brand or that person. Like, we want to know who's behind the brand. How many kids do they have? We want to know how many Black people are on their board, right? So we don't look at a bottle of water as just a bottle of water owned by some random person anymore, or some brand. We now want to know who's the owner of the brand. Are they equitable? Are they diverse? Are they inclusive? Right? We want to know all of these things, and we want to know the story. So for your own business, you want to think about how you can position the brand story and have the CMO, the COO, the CEO come to be the forefront of the story and really showcase the personality of that individual. So interviews are a really great way to do that, and to tell the whole and full and complete story of the brand and the company and who stands behind it and how it was built. That story is going to do massive gains for you, and it can be done in a short amount of time. My name is Jessica. I go by Joss Speaks Digital. Go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know which one of these you're going to be using in your short form content. So you've watched this video. Go ahead and watch more videos here on my channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button to get more notifications on when I upload the next video. It's going to teach you all about monetization, everything you wanted to know. Peace.